Hi, my name is Dr. Mercola of Integrative Health and Wellness Center, and today I'm going to be talking about a very helpful technique that we utilize in our office, which effectively works to determine which substances are where in the human body and how to properly eliminate them. So the substances I'm talking about, we're looking at different chemicals, metals, potentially immune system issues, and food sensitivities. So this technique is called resonance testing. It was developed by two medical doctors, DIETRICH, KILNGHART, and Yoshiaki Omura developed them. And Yoshiaki Omura actually has multiple research studies done in several different Japanese universities currently. And he has patented this form of diagnostic tool. So how this works is that when there are two identical substances close to one another, they actually interact with one another with what are called biophotons. And biophotons will begin to interact with the body, and it'll stimulate what's called your autonomic nervous system, more specifically your parasympathetic portion of that autonomic nervous system. And what happens is your body will actually go into a relaxing or healing parasympathetic state, and the body will weaken to a certain degree when you're testing it. So I'm going to demonstrate this. If you want to learn about the physics of it, study some of Dr. Omura's work. They're actually using this new research in fMRIs, which is functional MRIs, and they use resonance frequencies to determine substances and the amount of different substances in the areas of the body. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to have my assistant patient here, Brandon. I'm going to have him lie on his back. And what we're going to do is we're going to use these vials which contain the substances that we're going to be checking for today. So we have a bunch of heavy metals and chemicals, common stressors to the human body, which we'll utilize in our treatments here at the office. So I'm going to just check one that's very common with many people. And before I tell you what it is, I just want to see if he has it. So what we're going to be doing during this test is I'm going to be running this very close to his skin while basically pushing on his arm, but it will be almost like a vibration. Me vibrating his arm is very fast muscle testing. So we're going to start in the abdomen, and then we'll go up from there. So you'll see that through this area is very strong. So he doesn't have anything here. And then when we get to the area around the heart, it just completely weakens his body. That's his body going into that parasympathetic state. So this is plastics, and this is common in a lot of our patients. So then what we can also do with this is determine the exact amount of the substance within the body. So here we have a bunch of dilutions, and the higher the number, the greater the dilution of a particular substance. So we're going to match it with one dilution. So this is 1x. This would be the pure substance. They're saying that there's a decent amount within the tissues around this area. And his arm goes weak, which means that that's the case. If we were to pick a dilution that's higher, that does not match that frequency, so this is a 3x diluted 3 times, it's nice and strong. So that's not the case. So we have a 1x dilution. And the beauty of this is we're going to pair the exact dilution, run it over the area of the body that shows to be affected by whatever the chemical, metal, or other indicator is, and we're going to pair it with something that's going to negate this weakness, meaning it's going to remove it from the tissues. And it takes away all the guesswork with this. So we're going to start with some common things. So this is a product that works with the parotid glands that helps eliminate things from tissues, and that's still weakened, so that doesn't cause the response that we're looking for. Here's another one that deals with detoxification, methylation of the body, and that's nice and strong. So this is what I would be giving him in the treatment to help his body detoxify these plastics from his system, and we've been getting excellent results with it. We also have a brand new laser that will pulse at the frequencies to help detoxify the frequencies of these different substances, to help detoxify them from the body, speeding them up even faster. So I hope this helps. I'll put some links at the bottom of this video, and that's all.